Hi guys. So microservice security is one of the major aspects. So we have already discussed the different problems, right? We have discussed also related to JWT. Now there are major other challenges with the JWT also because only Java web applications, and another thing is that so problem is cookies based authentication are always stateful. The server has to keep a record of active sessions and check with the database every time the request arrives, right? When the request come, every time you need to check it, right? Which requires some overhead on the server side. And it is also difficult to decouple the authorization process from the application server. So this is majorly problem when we are talking about the JWT, right? And cookies based authentication does not play well with the mobile clients, and cookies are usually bundled with the domain when we are working with the multiple domains, right? If your application is so in that scenario, additional configuration required, and this additional take care you need to do it. So that's why we need to go with the OR2 implementation for microservices securities.